Hey, how you doing? Today I'm going to go over how to roll our calves in a little bit of a different way. I think I've probably done 3 or 4 videos on calf rolling at this point. This is another variation on one I've done before. The previous version that I've done, I've used my own shin. So I'm using this leg to help release my right leg, where I then lean back and add range of motion. Some people just don't have that flexibility, so here's an alternative that we can use instead. I've got a piece of PVC here. You could use a dowel rod or a broomstick or something. Just make sure it's firm because we're going to be applying pressure. So if you just grab a really cheap aluminum one and it bends on you, it could A, injure you, and then B, just won't get the outcome we're looking for. So what we're looking to do is we're taking that PVC or that solid, firm piece of dowel, whatever you got, and we're going to apply pressure right at the base of the knee. On my calf muscle, I'm not in my knee, and then from here I've got pretty decent posture, and I'm just now applying pressure down through my hand. So all I've got to do is lean back into it to get the pressure into my calf. I can saw a little bit right to left here across that gastroc, and then add range of motion. So here it would be circles clockwise, counterclockwise, gas pedal, brake pedal. Okay, so once I've gone through that series, it's like, okay, I'm not feeling it as much, then I'll roll down, typically just one width of the PVC or the dowel, whatever you're using, and then same concept where I'm applying pressure, adding range of motion, and then I'll move through. Usually we go 3 to 4 kind of spaces as you go, or kind of sections, so 1, 2, 3, and then 4 getting down into the soleus as well. So give that a try. I find that this is very handy for getting into the lateral gastroc because you can kind of favor off to the side so you get through that. And a lot of people are very tight through there just because we typically overpronate our ankles. So good luck, have fun. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, get after it. Okay, see ya.